When a baby is born prematurely, breastfeeding may be more difficult in the beginning. Premature babies sometimes need extra time before they can feed directly from the breast. During this time, a breast pump becomes extremely important. Mothers can pump breast milk and provide it to their baby through other feeding methods recommended by healthcare providers. Breast milk is especially valuable for premature babies because it contains antibodies and nutrients that support their developing immune system. Regular pumping helps mothers maintain their milk supply until the baby becomes strong enough to breastfeed directly. For many families with premature babies, the breast pump becomes a vital connection between the mother's milk and